In 1865, Abraham Lincoln abolished slavery. He was a president of the United States.
Martin Luther King was born on the 15th of January 1929 in Atlanta, Georgia. It was a time when the United States was segregated. This means that white and black people had different schools, restaurants, and churches.
Martin Luther King was married to Coretta Scott King in 1953.
In 1954, Martin Luther King became a church minister in Montgomery, Alabama, and he organized a bus boycott.
In 1955, Martin Luther King led the bus boycott. At the time, African Americans had to sit at the back of buses, and if the bus was full, they had to give up their seats for white people. He asked African Americans to stop using the buses so the bus companies would lose money. African Americans didn't use the buses for 382 days. Because of this, King received death threats from racist groups such as the Ku Klux Klan.
A bomb was found outside his house, but this didn't stop him. He organized marches and protests, but insisted that they were all peaceful. On the 30th of November 1956, the United States decided that segregation on buses was illegal.
In 1955, Yolanda Denise King was born and she died in 2007. Then, 2 years later, Martin Luther King III was born, followed by Dexter Scott King in 1961, and 2 years later it was Bernice Albertine King.
In 1962, Martin Luther King struggled against segregation in Albany, Georgia.
The 28th August 1963, he organized the Great March on Washington, a protest that demanded more change to the country laws. Over 200,000 people joined the march and watched King give his famous "I Have a Dream" speech about equal rights.
He stood up at the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. and told 250,000 supporters of his dream for racial equality. This speech is one of history's most famous speeches, and it was one of the greatest orators in American history.
I still have a dream. It is a dream deeply rooted in the American dream. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal.
I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character, from Martin Luther King's famous speech.
Then he led an organization non-violent protest in Birmingham, Alabama.
The government passed a number of laws in the 60s thanks to King and the civil rights movement, starting with the Civil Rights Act of 1964.
The 4th April 1968, Martin Luther King died aged 39 years old. Tragically, he was killed in Memphis, Tennessee. Martin Luther King's memorial is on the National Mall in Washington. He was opened people since August 2011.
We can see freedom, justice, democracy, and hope represented by water, stone, and free. He belonged to two political movements, the African American Civil Rights Movement and the Peace Movement. In conclusion, Martin Luther King led action such as the bus boycott in Montgomery, defended the vote rights, segregation, for peace, and against poverty.
He was the greatest leader of the American Civil Rights Movement.
He fought equal rights for African Americans at a time when there was discrimination in the United States.
His role in the advancement of civil rights using nonviolent civil disobedience.
He received 3 awards. Martin Luther King was given the Nobel Peace Prize on the 14th of October 1964. The second was the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 1977, and the third was the Congressional Gold Medal in 2004.